Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fix Vanguard Error Van 57 in League of Legends. Restart the PC and close all Riot and Vanguard background services before proceeding. I will walk you through stopping services in Task Manager, repairing game files with the Riot client, and reinstalling Vanguard if needed. Follow each step slowly and test the client after each change to confirm the issue is fixed. First, stop the services to prevent file locks and driver conflicts. Open Task Manager, find Riot Vanguard and Riot Client services, and end those processes. If they restart automatically, open services. MSC, find Vanguard and stop, or set it to manual. Running Task Manager as administrator ensures you can terminate protected processes. After stopping services, try launching the Riot client. Next, repair and reinstall to restore missing or corrupted driver files linked to VAN57. Open the Riot client and run the repair or reinstall option to verify game files. If repair does not resolve the error, uninstall Vanguard from programs and reinstall through the client while running as administrator. A clean reinstall often fixes driver signature or permission issues. Reboot after installation and test the client to confirm the error is cleared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.